we got here, we both wiped
I heard.
right there.
And we almost did again after that. When it was just me and
So
Ray.
what I do is I scooch up a little bit and I kind of push myself off. And you guys are better because it's further for you before it swings. It swings on me right away. So I got to jump right half quick. Just whoop. Do you want to try one of these ones? Sissy, Rolls Bowl, Sugar Shack, Robin's Run. Just kind of follow the lines, I guess. Little momentum, eh?
Yeah, that was a little sketchy.
It's a we're on the big hill now.
You just go right down?
Right down, or you can go left, right, don't matter. Kind of cross the long way.
On that one. That was fucking fast.